Okay, today we're looking at a 2012 Honda Accord LXS. It's a 2012. It's only got 14,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's taffeta white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Exterior of this Accord is in fantastic shape. Must have been garage kept. I mean, this thing is clean as a pin. 2012 with only 14,000 miles on it. Exterior of this vehicle is in great shape, guys. This is a really nice one. Alright, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black and beige door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the ivory cloth. Driver's seat's in great shape. It does have the center console with the power outlet, auxiliary, and USB port. Passenger seat looks good. No issues at all there. Let's see, it does have the keyless entry key fob, two of them. Okay, it is an automatic. It's got your 6-disc CD changer. Climate control area there. It's got your AM/FM CD player display screen right there. And also has steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 14,143 miles on it. Alright, now that we've got it started, there's your radio display screen. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Climate control area once again, got your 6-disc CD changer right there. Alright, let's go ahead and hop in the back, check it out. Alright, back seat cloth looks good. I mean, it doesn't even look like anybody's even sat in these seats before. I mean, it's that clean. 2012, 14,000 miles on it. Let's check out the trunk space. Carpet back here looks good. No issues at all. Lift this up. Get you a shot of the spare tire back here. Go ahead and give you a passenger seat shot with the front seat too, just so you can see just how clean this vehicle is. Alright, floor mats look like they never even been stepped on. I know it's got the plastic on there, but I mean underneath, absolutely clean as could be. Let's see if I can pull just a section of this up so you can see. I mean, as you can see, look at that. I mean, that's just clean as could be right there. All right, and that's the whole car, not just the floor mats, it's everything in here. All right, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, what we got here? We got 17-inch alloys. All right, tires are in good shape. Still got plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2012 Honda Accord LXS. It's got 14,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing is absolutely in fantastic shape. It must have been garage kept. I mean, this exterior, interior, everything's well maintained. Come down, check this one out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.